Has your Worcester Bosch boiler locked out with a flashing 224 fault code? Don't worry, I'm going to explain exactly what it means and how you can fix it today. A 224 code is a safety lockout. It means your boiler has overheated, usually because water isn't circulating properly through the heat exchanger. The system effectively shuts down to protect itself from serious damage. Let's look at the most common reasons why this happens in British homes every day. The first thing you should check is your system pressure. If it's below 1 bar, there isn't enough water to absorb the heat. Try topping it back up to 1.5 bar using your filling loop. This simple DIY fix solves about half of these 224 lockouts immediately. If the pressure is fine, you might have an airlock or a buildup of central heating sludge that is physically blocking the flow through your pipes. Try bleeding your radiators to purge any trapped air. If that doesn't work, the system might actually need a professional power flush to clear the debris. Other causes include a seized circulating pump or a faulty safety thermostat. These technical issues will definitely need a gas-safe registered engineer to investigate further. Once the system has had time to cool down, you can try a manual reset. Simply press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. If the code returns immediately, give us a call at Boilers2Go. Don't keep resetting it, as this can cause further stress to the boiler's internal components. I hope that helps. For more expert heating advice and professional boiler tips, make sure to follow us and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.